Hello, my name is Richard Meyer. I am the Chief Technologist for Sensing Solutions and Controls. We are a distributor as well as some R&D of sensing, obviously, as well as control units. We sell a Lovato product line, which is an excellent heavy-duty stuff in the panel, soft starts, VFDs, etc., etc. Today I'm focusing on a sensor manufacturer, Contrinex. You can see my contact information here. This particular sensor action kit is about a fairly new series. In fact, it's a brand new series for Contrinex called the YBES Safety Light Curtain. I have a couple of fairly small ones here that you can see I've got powered up. I'm actually running this off of a 20-volt drill battery, which I run some of our other devices off of as well. Light curtains are designed, obviously, when someone moves their hand or a device or something falls into it, that they recognize that and send a signal out. These units come with mounting brackets. They can be put together in an L-shape orientation, and then also see other L-shaped sensors, safety light curtains. These are handled using Bluetooth, and they are set up and managed by Bluetooth. Very handy, very quick, very easy to use. It has 3 levels for people in the plant of distinguishing between an observer only or a user, a specialist, etc., etc. This enables the maintenance department or the engineers to have some stratification of who can do what. I will also, next to this video, present how the software works to tag onto it over Bluetooth, as well as configure and turn off. You can see there are 8 rows of lights here. You can block some of those out. So if there is a stationary unit of some sort, a piece of extrusion, let's say, you could disable that particular beam and you would not have any trouble. It has a 20mm resolution. It can be used very close to itself and has a 1.5 meter distance available. I hope that we are talking soon. If you want to jot down this information and didn't get it before, please do. Thank you.